Welcome to today's video. We'll be reviewing the Ring Video Doorbell 3 Plus, focusing on its standout pre-roll video technology and how it enhances your home security. Body. The pre-roll video technology records the 4 seconds before motion is detected, so you get a full picture of what happened before any movement triggered the camera. Unlike other video doorbells, this lets you see events before they happen. With enhanced Wi-Fi and motion detection, you'll enjoy 1080p HD video with clear details, even in low light. Ring Video Doorbell 3 Plus works with Alexa, giving you the ability to check live feeds directly from your phone or TV, offering maximum convenience and security. Installation. Setting up this doorbell is a breeze. It's easy to install with a rechargeable battery that lasts months, and you can even use a solar charger for continuous power. If home security is a priority, the Ring Video Doorbell 3 Plus is a must-have with its cutting-edge pre-roll technology. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the best security gadgets. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.